Our daily prompt today is Fantasy Tale Clip Art. You can find all the prompts detailed at the bottom of the video description. All the images you will see in this video were created using the prompts on the list. Now let's delve into the intricacies of these wonderful clip arts. To begin with, you'll notice that all the images you see today are in 8K resolution. This gives the images an extraordinary level of detail that takes your viewing experience to the next level. It's almost like stepping into a fantasy world. The lighting choices are especially fascinating. We've used natural daylight to illuminate the scenes, giving each image an ethereal, almost dreamy quality. Daylight has a way of enhancing colors and highlighting intricate details, making each frame a visual masterpiece. Now let's talk about the happy mood aspect of our clips. You'll find that the characters are particularly jovial. This uplifting energy is no coincidence. It's been deliberately incorporated to radiate positivity. It has been observed that happy characters significantly boost the mood of the viewer, leading to a more engaging and satisfying experience. Switching gears a bit, we've played around with styles, or what we refer to in the prompt as ~S. To showcase the impact of different styles, half of the images are in style 600, while the other half are in style 300. It's intriguing how a mere change in style numbers can result in such varied textures and outlines. The influence of cinema on the portrayal of these characters can't be overlooked. Animated films have long used animals and birds to capture the imagination of children. These characters become more than mere images. They become vehicles for stories, emotions, and life lessons. Animated movies teach children about friendship, courage, and kindness, often through these very characters. The influence is cyclical, with the characters inspiring the films and the films in turn adding depth to the characters. Additionally, the animals and birds in these animated movies often possess human-like characteristics, making them relatable figures for children. This anthropomorphism serves to make moral and ethical lessons more digestible, allowing for complicated topics to be communicated in a kid-friendly manner. This dynamic provides a rich ground for storytelling, not only entertaining the young audience but also educating them. Moreover, the animation industry has a profound effect on popular culture. Memorable characters from animated movies often make their way into books, merchandise, and even theme parks. Their omnipresence serves as a constant reminder of the stories they come from and the values they represent. This symbiotic relationship between cinema and other forms of media creates a lasting impact, making these animated characters cultural icons that transcend generations. The realm of animated cinema also pushes the boundaries of artistic creativity. Not only do they require detailed design and animation work, but the scripts also often involve intricate plots and character development. This pushes the bar higher for our clip art designers as well, inspiring them to create images that could easily find a place in professional animated productions. So you see, the influence of animated cinema on these fantasy tale clip arts is multidimensional. It's not just about bringing fictional characters to life. It's about encapsulating a whole spectrum of human emotions, morals, and cultural influences through these portrayals. If you found interest and pleasure in the video we presented today, please click the like button, forward the video to your friends, and subscribe to the channel so that you'll be notified of every daily video we produce for the benefit of this innovative field. Thanks. And remember, you too can create stunning images that few can master.